In this video, I'll be unboxing the Samsung Soundbar C445, but if you are in the US, the C450 is absolutely the same product. They just have a different name for Canada and the US. So let's get started and let's check what's in the box. So on the top over here, the subwoofer will be. So we just have to lift it like this. We'll also get a small bag over here. I'll open in just a few seconds. So let's start with the subwoofer. This is how it looks. It's Bluetooth. So if we look at the back, there is no connection apart the power connector right over here. Otherwise, we have a button to sync it with the soundbar right there. If you wonder how big this sub is, it's about 7 inches and it's around 14 inches tall. And we have the soundbar. On the top of the soundbar, this is the top, we have a few buttons. We have a power button right here. Minus is for the volume, plus as well. And finally, we have the input selector over here. If we check on the back of the soundbar, this is how it looks. We're gonna have the power port over here. This is where we're gonna connect the cable that comes included. We don't have anything else here. And on the other side, if we look closely and we tilt it this way, I know it's hard to see, but right over here we have one USB port and optical input. If you want to connect your TV using an optical cable instead of Bluetooth. Now let's check what's included in this bag. First of all, we have the manuals. Then we have a remote control. It looks like this. Many Samsung soundbars are using this remote control. So if you had one in the past, there's a good chance that you already have a remote that is looking like that one. Very simple to use. Samsung also includes an optical cable. This is if, again, you don't want to use the Bluetooth feature of this soundbar to connect it to your TV, you can use a wire, and it's nice that it's included in the box. We have the power cable for the soundbar and the same power cable for the subwoofer. They also give us 2 AAA batteries for the remote control. And the last thing, they include these brackets. They give you 2 of these, so that's one of them. Another bracket, and also these screws. And this paper, all right? So you can mount this soundbar on your wall. If this is what you want to do, it's very easy since you just have to use this paper they give us. It has some small holes. You align it, you take a pen, you put the marks through the holes, and this way you'll be able to align and install it quickly. So this is about it. This is what comes included: a soundbar, a subwoofer, a remote control with batteries, optical cable, power cable for both devices, and the mounting hardware if you desire to mount your soundbar on a wall. So this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, check the Amazon links in the description if you want to get one of these soundbar. I'll put a link towards this setup, but also to other setups if you prefer to spend just a bit more to have a higher quality. But otherwise, thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.